Normal 3 sprays that I will do with a fragrance is I will do one here, and then usually one in the back of my head. The reason for this is when I pass people, they get a sillage of it and they can smell it. And then these are the basic 3 that I do. And I will say that if it's a stronger fragrance, I usually do 1 and 2, and that's generally about it. Now, if you want to do more than that, so for example, this fragrance isn't that strong. So what you can do is you can do double what I just did. So you'd spray it again here, here, here. The next place that I would go is right here. So I would spray here, one shoulder, and then that's it. That would be the routine I do. Right here, one in the back, one in the front, shoulder, and shoulder. And the reason why I say that is because this, when you walk by somebody, you can get the sillage of it. They can smell it as you walk by. Here is for people that are in front of you. They may be able to smell it. And then obviously if you are on a romantic getaway or whatever, if you're trying to impress someone and they're going to be close by you, generally speaking, when they come in for a hug, they can smell here, they can smell here, they can smell there. And it's extremely easy for them to smell you, which is the point if that's what you want to do. But generally the 3 places, like I said, if you're a lady, I would strongly put it in your hair, or if you're a guy with long hair, put it in the back of your hair here. And the reason why I say don't put it in the front is because if you get a strong cologne, like for example, Dior Sauvage Elixir, if you put that in the front right here and you spray it too much, like if you do double right here in the front, it will probably give you a headache. And the reason why I like it back here is because it's not really on my nose. If I stick it right here, my nose is right there and I can smell it a lot easier than I can if it's behind me. So that's something to please do keep in mind. But so one here, 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 here. And if you want to do another round, go for it. And honestly, I would say this is the easiest way to spray fragrances. And this is something that I would strongly recommend that you try. Let me know if you guys have a certain way that you spray fragrances. Please do let me know down below. For daily content, please follow my Instagram account, which will be down in the description. If you want to message me, that's the greatest. It is the best place to message me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hopefully today's the day that I earn your subscription, and y'all have a wonderful day.